It's amazing how I feel with you. It's amazing that I am so much in love since the time you are in my life. I just have your thoughts in my mind. Baby, you have captivated my soul just like your heart has a role. Baby, you have blown my life with your sweet ways and vibe. I love you is all I want to confess. My love will never change. It will forever remain this way. Baby, I am in love with you. Love that will remain in time. I am so in love with you. I know it's love when I am with you. I know it's love that I can see. All the way you make me feel special. All the way and things in you. I know it's love when you are around. I can feel the passion that surrounds. Your love is my life. I can see of everything that makes me happy. I know it's love when I wish to be with you all the way. And through my love is true and it will never change. I'm only in love with you. In the rain when there is passion, in the longing when things to see, there is something magical about you. When you are with me, your love will remain with me. Your love will remain in prime to see. It won't change at all. I don't have things in my mind. I know that I am in love with you. Love being so prime, baby. Your love defines me in life. Without you, I won't survive. Love is a longing of your heart. Love is an entice and that part. When you take my breath away, with things that you truly say, you are with me and I know you will forever stay this way. You will stay with me in life, being there in many strife. Baby, today I just want to tell you that you mean my life. I will never stop loving you. I will never stop doing things for you. Baby, I so love you. You already took my heart. I have given my all to you. You took my heart, my love. I'm just waiting for you. The day you will come and confess how much you love me, how much I truly mean to you. You already took my life. Now I'm waiting to strive. It's tough to live without you. It's tough living a life without you. Baby, know that I love you. Love so pure that I do. You have changed my life to good. That is the reason I love you. Whenever I need some kind of longing, I see your pretty face. There is some kind of magic I feel with your smiling grace. Baby, you stole my heart in love. You stole me for a lifetime to come. Just want to tell you that you are the best I can think of in my life. You are the best love I can find. If I just have another life, my love, would like to spend with me along. Your love is like that song. This makes me long for more. I love you so much, my dear. I love you even more than you truly think I do. Not a single day goes without thinking about you. You may not even have a clue that I keep thinking about you. Day and night, when I look at you, I feel so bright. I think I am so in love with you. I am sure my love for you is true. And I just want to confess it to you that I can't stay without you.